Upgrade your everyday look when you wear these cute boots from CL by Laundry. They feature a textile and leather upper with a pointed toe silhouette. The shaft has a sock-like construction with a stretch panel that wraps around the ankle to give you a snug fit and easy slip-on, and a pull tab at the back of the ankle for assistance with on and off. Another great feature is the contrasting midsole that stands out, giving the shoe a bold look, and you'll get about a 2-inch boost in height with a stacked heel at the back. These would be perfect to wear with a midi skirt and your favorite blouse. There is a textile and leather interior with a cushioned footbed giving you comfort throughout the day, and it's all on top of a textured synthetic outsole.